So, you've got your shiny new 2025 Toyota Corolla, feeling pretty good about the road ahead. But wait, what if I told you some car wisdom might secretly be draining your wallet? You heard me right. You could be losing money without even realizing it. Today, we're diving deep into 21 car myths about the Toyota Corolla that are quietly emptying your pockets. And no, this isn't about windshield wipers. You should be replacing those every 12 months, by the way. These are the myths that are costing you big bucks. Buckle up, because we're about to smash these myths like a hot cup of coffee hitting your face on a Monday morning. Ready? Let's go. 1. Premium fuel = more power. Here's a fun fact. Premium fuel will not turn your Corolla into a sports car. But hey, if you want to waste money on expensive fuel, you do you. Your 2025 Toyota Corolla runs perfectly fine on regular unleaded gasoline. Premium fuel is for cars with high-performance engines, not your everyday Corolla. If your Corolla doesn't specifically require premium, ditch the fancy stuff and save your cash. 2. Change your oil every 3,000 miles. 3,000 miles for an oil change? That myth is older than the Corolla itself and probably more expensive. Thanks to synthetic oil, modern engines like the one in your Corolla can go 5,000 to 7,500 miles between oil changes. So unless you're using your car like a race car, there's no need for constant oil changes. Save the cash for something more fun like a road trip. 3. Warm up your car before driving. Think you need to warm up your car before driving? In 2025, that's like thinking you need to wind up your smartphone before using it. Your Corolla doesn't need to idle and warm up anymore. Modern engines, including yours, heat up best while driving gently. Just start the car, put it in drive, and go. The road is your warm-up zone. 4. All tires must be replaced at the same time. If you've heard this myth, stop right now. It's like saying you need to replace all your shoes when only one pair is worn out. For front-wheel drive cars like the 2025 Toyota Corolla, you typically only need to replace the tires that are worn out. Rotate your tires regularly so they wear evenly and save some serious dough. 5. Your car battery lasts forever. If your car battery lasted forever, we'd all be driving around in cars that never needed repairs. But alas, even your trusty Corolla's battery won't last forever. On average, your Corolla's battery lasts 3-5 years. If your car is starting slower than usual or you're hearing odd electrical noises, it's probably time to swap it out. Don't wait for a roadside emergency to find out. 6. You don't need to rotate your tires. Ignoring tire rotation is like ignoring the need to floss. It might seem unnecessary, but it's key to keeping your car healthy. Tire rotation is essential for keeping your 2025 Corolla's tires in good shape. If you don't rotate them, they'll wear unevenly, costing you more in the long run. Rotate your tires every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, and your Corolla will thank you. 7. Transmission fluid doesn't need to be checked. If you think you can ignore your Corolla's transmission fluid, you're in for a rude awakening, like showing up to a potluck with an empty plate. Your Corolla's transmission fluid needs periodic checks. While Toyota's automatic transmissions are low maintenance, skipping fluid checks can lead to bigger issues down the road. Don't let your car's gearbox get cranky. Check the fluid regularly. 8. Dish soap is fine for washing your car. If you've been using dish soap on your Corolla, you might as well be using sandpaper to clean your car. Dish soap strips away protective wax and can leave your car's paint looking dull. Stick to a car-specific cleaner to keep that shiny finish intact. Your Corolla deserves better than a basic kitchen product, right? 9. You don't need regular brake inspections. Let's get one thing straight. If your brakes aren't squeaking, that doesn't mean they're in tip-top shape. Brakes need regular checks, even if they're not making noise. The 2025 Toyota Corolla has great brakes, but even the best need maintenance. Have them inspected regularly to avoid surprises and ensure your car can stop on a dime. 10. Fuel system doesn't need maintenance. Do you think your Corolla's fuel system is invincible? Well, think again. Fuel systems need regular cleaning and maintenance to ensure optimal performance. Don't wait for your fuel efficiency to drop or your engine to misfire. Clean your fuel system and keep your Corolla running smooth and efficient for years. 11. Your Corolla's air filter lasts forever. The air filter is like your Corolla's lungs. If it's clogged, things start to get ugly, like trying to breathe through a straw. Changing the air filter regularly ensures your Corolla's engine gets the clean air it needs to run smoothly. Replace it every 12,000 to 15,000 miles to maintain good performance and fuel efficiency. 12. Cabin air filters are optional. If your cabin air filter is clogged, it's like trying to breathe in a dusty attic while driving. Your Corolla's cabin air filter ensures you're not inhaling allergens, dust, or nasty smells. Change it every 15,000 miles and your car will smell fresh every time you get inside. It's an easy way to keep your ride comfortable. 13. You don't need to replace your timing belt. Ignoring your timing belt is like ignoring a ticking time bomb. Eventually, something's going to give. Luckily, the 2025 Toyota Corolla uses a timing chain, not a belt, so you don't have to worry about replacing it regularly. However, if you own an older Corolla, don't ignore your timing belt. Regular replacement is essential to avoid catastrophic engine damage. 14. You don't need to check tire pressure regularly. Underinflated tires are a killer for fuel efficiency, and ignoring them is like driving with one foot on the brake. Keeping your tire pressure at the proper level ensures better handling, increased fuel efficiency, and longer tire life. Don't wait for the warning light to come on. Check your tire pressure regularly. 15. Check engine light? No big deal. That little engine light isn't just a decorative feature, it's a warning sign that your Corolla is trying to tell you something. Ignoring the check engine light could lead to serious engine problems. If it lights up, get it checked out immediately. Don't wait for it to turn into an expensive repair. 16. You can skip timing chain maintenance. Just like you need to floss to keep your teeth healthy, your timing chain needs regular checks to keep your Corolla's engine healthy. While timing chains last a long time, neglecting them can cause serious engine issues. Regular inspections will keep your Corolla's engine running without any surprises. 17. You don't need to replace differential fluid. If you think the differential is set and forget, your Corolla's drivetrain will be in for a rough ride. Even though the 2025 Corolla doesn't have a traditional rear differential, maintaining the front differential is still essential for smooth operation. Be sure to follow your owner's manual for differential fluid checks. 18. Tire rotation is only for off-road vehicles. If you think tire rotation is only for Jeeps, then your Corolla's tires are in trouble. Tire rotation is essential for ensuring even wear, better traction, and optimal fuel efficiency in your front-wheel drive Toyota Corolla. Rotate your tires regularly, and they'll last much longer. 19. You don't need to flush your cooling system. Ignoring the cooling system is like ignoring your car's health. You wouldn't want your Corolla to overheat, right? Coolant can break down over time and lose its effectiveness. 20. Fuel injectors clean themselves. Think your Corolla's fuel injectors clean themselves while you're cruising around? Nice thought, but no. Fuel injectors can clog over time, reducing engine performance. Regular cleaning keeps them in top shape and ensures your Corolla runs smoothly without hiccups. 21. You don't need to maintain your car's exterior. Ignoring the exterior is like ignoring your car's health. It's important for looks, but also for longevity. Regular waxing and cleaning help protect your Corolla's paint from dirt, debris, and oxidation. Now that we've shattered these myths, you're probably thinking, wait, I've been losing money for nothing all this time? It's time to stop the myth-making madness and start saving your hard-earned cash. If you enjoyed the myth-busting fun or learned something new, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with your fellow car enthusiasts. Got any more myths you want busted? Drop them in the comments below, and let's keep the conversation rolling.